Hi everybody, Asong Filipina today. Hello everybody, Asong Filipina. Welcome back to my channel. So it's windy here, very windy. And today I just wanna unbox this. This is from Shein as usual. So I love to shop there because it's cheaper and for women it's very cheap. So for now, I put on my two nails red nail polish today is very bright red. So I also have my anklet. Then I did not put the two rings, so I have here. So I can put two rings in my toes. So there it goes. Then first I'm gonna show you what's in here. And after this one, I'm gonna do online shopping. So I'm gonna look um, what I have to shop at Shein, maybe some clothing and health. So I'm just gonna unbox this one and show you what I got. So I have this. Oh, this is socks. And try this on. So I have socks. And by the way, you can also follow me to my Instagram account, ladyc123. I'm just gonna put it here. And another one. Oops, I dropped the other socks. And after this one, we're gonna try on and take off the socks. So for now, I'm gonna show you all that I shop. So it's very cute. OMG, the same color. I ordered two. OMG, this is the same. I'm gonna give it to my daughter, the other one. Okay, so next, oh my G. So we have to try on also the stockings. This is leggings. So this is three tricolors. So I have white, black. This is pantyhose. So I'm gonna just try it here that because my dress is long, so I'm just gonna try on here in the table. So this one is for my nails. This is nail color remover. I like this one. This is very good for nail color remover. I mean, I was like thinking if there's a women out there and do the nails, so this is very good. There's no smell. And I ordered I ordered two of this. So I have this one. So another stocking. It's like the fishnet stocking. the other one, because I have two black here, and this one is with design. It's with stone, so it glitter. So outside is very noisy, you can find. So there's a design for this, and then white. I'm gonna show you my two rings here. It's very noisy outside. So this is hard. So okay, I'm done. So first is I'm gonna try on the stocking. So I have to pick up the pink. Just gonna do this. This one. So I have this pink. I'm gonna try the pink first. that's all for now, and I hope to see you next vlog. So I still have to try on these stockings, but we're gonna do it for the next video. Bye everyone, love you all, and if you want a custom video, just message me to mylovelyschat@gmail.com. It's in my description down below, and also for my follow me to my Instagram account, ladyc123.